guys, I have a very exciting announcement to make. Today we are launching the New Year, New Me workout program. Listen, I know she's a week late, I know, but this year started. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, then you probably don't know what's going on, but I had a tooth infection that got so bad I had to have an emergency. I had to go see an oral surgeon. I had to have an emergency drain put into my tooth. So obviously I had to postpone the challenge. I couldn't film or do anything, but it's here. It's here today, and this is probably one of my favorite challenges that I have put together, because this is more than just a workout challenge or workout program. This is also focused on habits and becoming the best, highest version of yourself in all aspects. Like, we are leveling up in all aspects of our life, okay? Not just in fitness, but in mental health and self-care, personal growth. Like, we're taking off. So this program is available on my app, Daily Thrive app. The app does have a membership cost, but you do get your first 7 days free. So actually, if you want to access the PDF, because the PDF has a whole habit like workbook and just really good info for life, not just if you're doing this challenge, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial and download the PDF. It is up on the app, and you can try the first 7 days of the workout challenge for free. And we have all of these amazing reviews from current Daily Thrivers, so you can read the reviews and you can also see for yourself what makes us so great. Okay, but anyway, let's move on to talking about the challenge. So this challenge is beginner focused. Like, the workouts in the challenge are perfect for anyone that is completely new to working out, just starting their journey, or anyone that's had some time off, had a few weeks break, or had a rough start to 2022 like me. Okay, this is the perfect way to ease back into an active lifestyle and into a workout routine. I just filmed the day 1 workout, and girl, it was tough because I couldn't work out for like 2 to 3 weeks because I was sick, and getting back into it after you're sick, it is not easy. So if you are on that same boat as me, this challenge is literally perfect for you. Now, it is 6 weeks long, and the weeks will gradually increase in intensity. So we start off with like a low intensity week where we work out 4 times per week, then we increase to 5 times per week, 6 times per week, and finally the last week we work out every single day. Now, every single workout is a real-time workout with your girl. So I'm not gonna leave you alone, okay? I'm not just gonna throw you to the wolves for you to fend for yourself. Every single workout is a real-time workout video. So from the beginning to the end, we're in it together, from the warm-up, from the workout, from the breaks, from the cool down at the ends. You're never gonna feel alone. And we also have an amazing community of women. We have an amazing community over on Instagram and on the Facebook group, where we all push and motivate each other. So you're not gonna feel alone in your journey. You're always gonna have a bunch of besties right by your side cheering you on. I also put together a mini nutrition challenge for you. So a few things to do nutrition-wise during these next 6 weeks to ensure that we are living our best, beautiful lives. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Daily Thrive app, sign up for your free trial, and see for yourself what all the hype is about. If you'll be partaking in the challenge, please don't forget to tag us on Instagram, Daily Thrive app, and my fitness Instagram, Vicky Just Fitness, because we love seeing your story posts. We love reposting you. No matter how your year has gone so far, it is never too late to take things into your own hands, to take control of your life, and really become the best version of yourself, because that's what it's all about. We're just striving to be the best us we can be. Thank you guys so much for watching this little announcement. If you are participating in this challenge, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all at the next video.